marami naloloko. So, important is you practice due diligence. Research mo yan, aralin mo. Okay? Sabi nga ng uncle ko, si Uncle Warren, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So, study and learn it first. And then, you try, maybe experiment a little bit. Sabi nga nung mentor ko, si Rex Mendoza, gusto mo pag-aralan isang bagay, tayaan mo. Okay? Start mo yan and gawin mo yan. Now, reminder lang, pinakamalaking problem ng maraming tao is nagmamadali. Gusto kagad yumaman, gusto kagad lumaki ng malaking pera. But just a reminder, okay? And again, I'm gonna pick up from the Bible. Proverbs 13:11 says, wealth from get-rich-quick schemes quickly disappears, but wealth from hard work grows over time. Be patient, okay? And eventually, it will pay off. Right? Some reminders again, Ecclesiastes 11:2 says, but divide your investments among many places, for you do not know what trees may lie. Diversification yan. Ang galing, no? This was written 3,000 years ago. Wala pang mga finance book, wala pang investment concept, but this is already something that has been encouraged by the Bible. Now, Randall, gamit ka naman ng Bible verse. Kasi pag Bible verse, I don't question whether it's a truth. I know it's a truth. That's why I share it. Okay? So, wisdom from how to do it. Now, brotherly advice. Kuya advice. Or now, lolo na ako. Lolo advice. The future you will either thank or curse the younger you. Okay? So again, do something about it. Be proactive. Salamat for attending Moneywise. I hope you're going to be learning something, and again, application for that. Ang goal ko, and I know goal din ni Chinky to, na magbago tayong mga Pilipino. Okay? Let's move from being a spender to being a saver, and ultimately being an investor/entrepreneur. That the whole theme of Moneywise is to do this. And this is something that I'm passionate about. This is something that I want to do. This is gusto ko before ako makipagkita kay Lord. Nagawa ko na yung dapat ko gawin na mabago ang buhay ng mga Pilipino.